Okay, we're going to look at building our skimmer in Onshape. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at your skimmer measurements. Okay, and we want to make sure that we have them in whole numbers or in decimals. So 1/2 is going to be 0.5. All right, so this is going to be 0.5. All right, when we look at the bottom down here, we have another 1/2, so that'll be another 0.5. All right, 1/8. So let's convert that. 1 divided by 8. 0.125. 0.125. We also have, if you look farther down, we have 3/8. So 3 divided by 8 is 0.375. So now that we have all of our measurements, either in whole inches or in decimals, we're ready to look at our Onshape. All right, let's go ahead and Onshape. We have our name of our document, skimmer body. We're going to go ahead and hide the front and the top, the front and the right. We're going to go to the top and we're going to come up here to sketch. All right, and we're going to say center point rectangle, and we're going to draw something here. Now, what we're going to do is now dimension this. Okay, so oops, go back here. We want to select our dimensions, and we're going to make this 11 inches. And again, we're looking back here because this is 11 inches and then by 4 inches. So we come back to ours, and I'm going to rotate my view. I'll do another dimension, this one. Click here, pull it out. We want that to be 4 inches. So we now have it 11 by 4. All right. And we'll say yes, accept that. Now we will click and select it, and we're going to extrude it. And that extrusion, if we come back here, that extrusion is 1/2 an inch right here. See the 1/2, because this is going to be the side wall. So we're going to come down here, do 0.5 and enter. And accept. So now we have our base piece. All right, now it's time to cut out the center part of our skimmer body. So I'm going to click on that face. I'm going to say sketch. I'm going to change my view so I'm looking straight at it. If I hold down Control and right click, I can pan. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit with my mouse. Now I'm on this face and we're doing a sketch. I'm going to come up here to the rectangle tool and the drop down, and I'm going to select this corner rectangle tool, and I'm going to select the bottom line. See how it's highlighted? Click and drag it. I'm not going to take it all the way because we need to dimension it. Excuse me. Once I have that, then come over here with the dimension tool. I'm going to click the side, and I'm going to click the side of our shape. Make sure you get the whole part highlighted. Bring it down, and we're going to say 0.02 thickness. Now it resizes the rest of our shape. So I need to zoom in, select it, zoom out, select this other side, pull it down, 0.02, enter. Zoom in, we want to take the top to the top, pull it out to the side, 0.02, enter. So now we have the entire area. Now we don't want to add to this, we want to cut this part out of our body skimmer. So I'm going to go ahead and say check. All right. Now I'm going to click on our sketch and I'm going to go up here to extrude. And we want to remove. All right. So I'm going to check, adjust my view. See the arrows pointing the other direction. The whole length is 11 inches. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to check it. And now, if you rotate around, you should see the whole part is cut out. So we have our body of our skimmer.